Welcome to Harmony. In this video, we'll explore how to interact with Harmony stories. In Harmony, views of interest can be saved into a story for future access and sharing with others. Stories are accessed through Stories in the global menu bar. Selecting to view a story allows you to see the story's contents. In this space, each view is shown as a separate tile. The navigation pane on the left shows the available stories. You can view the contents of a story by clicking on View. The right shows tiles for each view within the selected story. Icons on the tiles indicate the type of view, such as a table, a graph, verbatim, single number, or dashboard page. The three-dot menu is available in both the Story and View tiles. In here, you'll find different contextual options. The story name is shown at the top of the screen, with the option to add the story to your favourites. You can also find options to export, duplicate, delete, or create a direct link to the story. Let's select a story view. Selecting a view tile takes you to the story preview space. When in story preview mode, the navigation pane on the left shows the view tiles for all other views in the story. The content of the story view reflects the latest data available to you. The story view name is displayed in orange. If you are the story owner, a pencil icon will be displayed to allow you to edit the story and view names. The numbers in brackets indicate the positioning of the view in the story. Dragging the view tiles around will reorder them. You can navigate through the story views using the Story View Navigator or using the left and right arrows on your keyboard. Story owners can add comments to story views. Comments are available for all users to see and other owners to change. The comments icon displays a red dot when the view contains a comment. When you export to PowerPoint, comments export into the Notes section. Harmony stories can also be viewed in a full screen presentation mode. This allows the story to be told sequentially and cleanly without any menus displayed. To exit the presentation mode, click on the icon again or at the escape key. Now let's load a story view. This loads the selected view in interactive mode, giving you full access to Harmony's standard analysis functions, including filtering, modify, and visualization menus. Creators and explorers are also able to access the project tree to dive deeper into analysing the data. All changes made to the story view while in interactive mode can then be discarded, saved into a new view, or you can overwrite the story view to update it with your new settings. Our next video, Sharing Stories, explores how you can collaborate and share insights with others. Thanks for watching.